If your Samsung phone's battery is dying faster than you think, then this one settings might be the hidden reason for that one. And that setting is always on display, which can be switched off or customized properly. Here is how to do it. Go to settings, go to lock screen and AOD. Disable always on display if it is not necessary for you, or if you want to use it, then you have to customize it properly. Enable it, tap on it, tap on when to show. Now select this option, tap to show, so that you can use always on display whenever you need and not always. Or go to as schedule and select the duration, set the starting time, for example 7, go to end time 10 o'clock. Select done after that. But never select always if you want the battery to last longer. You don't know how much longer your battery will last if you make this simple tweak. This feature takes around 1% of battery charge every hour. Try this for a day and check how long battery will last. For me, I was able to gain around 2 hours extra of battery life. But of course that depends on your screen resolution and other settings that you have made. Tell me how long were you able to extend the battery life in the comment box below. As always, thanks for watching the video.